today I'm going to talk to you guys about my big break with online arbitrage and when things actually finally clicked, right? I'm going to show you the exact strategy that I have been doing ever since, I think for the last 3 to 4 years, right? And it's literally what literally got me going, right? And this thing that I'm going to show you today is the target list. If you've been a follower of the channel, which, by the way, if you're not just yet, you should actually subscribe. You've heard me talk about it, but there's been a lot of change to it. And I'm going to show them to you in this video. If you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I release videos here on YouTube to help you with your Amazon business. So if you are new, you should actually subscribe to actually be able to scale your business with all the free value that I give you here on YouTube. Okay, so that thing that I've been telling you about is the target list. So I'll be 100% honest with you guys. Okay, so that's one thing that I also sell to people. People in my coaching program get it for free, but if you want to get it, you can go to oalist.com. The link is in the description, and you can get started with it for just $1, like literally, right? But we changed a lot of things to make it way easier for you to actually have access to it, and we're just going to do some sourcing. I'm just going to do some live sourcing with it to show you how I actually use it in my business. Once again, this thing, using this instead of following the dumb beginners advice that people were giving back in the day that were absolutely not working, right, is what got me to actually make arbitrage work. So if you are struggling, I recommend that you actually try this, okay? And you can get started for just $1, but like pretty much what the target list is, if you don't know, is it's a list of everything that's going on online, like literally right now, right? So for example, on the target list right now, there's 1,340 different deals that you can source. So a deal is either a sale, a clearance, or a coupon. And you can see that they are pretty much all set up right there: sale, coupons, clearance, other, right? So the great thing is that if you're sourcing a website that you don't really know if, you can go into the target list and check if there's an available coupon for it right now. So my team is on it 24/7, actually, like finding new sales, new clearance, new coupons for you, vetting them, like looking at them, all that stuff, right? So it's like literally the best thing. And by the way, you have data. The old data is not updated just yet, right? But it's an easy way to actually figure out sales cycle for websites that you want to actually dig on, right? But let's just get started. Let's just do some sourcing. So I just saw that Sierra is having an 80% off clearance, right? So the great thing is you can actually favorite some website right now and like mark it as sourced if you want to. So if you want to give it to your team as well, right? But if I open it up right there, so it's going to bring me straight to Sierra, where we're going to see this 80% markdown, right? So we're just going to do some manual sourcing. By the way, if you're struggling with manual sourcing, it's probably because you don't have something like this set up, right? And we're just going to go through the sale. So when it comes to actually doing some manual sourcing, right? Free shipping, great. When it comes to doing manual sourcing, the main thing is you want to look at products that have big discounts, right? And products that are popular. Usually the best match sort thing actually works great, but on Sierra, what has been working well for me, I haven't sourced this website in a while, but when I was sourcing it a lot, it was using this, the savings high to low, because you can find a lot of really cheap products over there. You just need to skip all the weird brands. Sometimes Volcom does good if you do retail. I've never really sold anything retail arbitrage from it. Free People sometimes does great. So I've sold a ton of Free People stuff in the past. Let's just look it up real quick on Rev-Seller. Boom. And it's a 2 million rank. So you'll see a lot of these products, like a lot of these, and it's $15. So I know some people that would jump on it. So my student Ernie found his product. He would just buy like a couple of units. Some people do that, and like, because you're gonna make, like, if you actually look at it, right? If you actually buy this, you're gonna make a 361% return on investment. You can sit on that. You might sit on this a long time, but if you have a lot of capital, I mean, why not, right? And it looks like it was actually selling. Yeah, it's just selling slowly, but I mean, even at $100, you're cooking. Yeah, so it was $100 back then, but it's speeding up though. It was speeding up because it was at 65. So personally, when I jump on product like this, like Ernie's way of doing things is more like selling those products at their price and just leaving it there until it sells. What I would do is, personally, I would just go to this price because I noticed that it's actually moving, right? And so boom, I would sell this at $60, make 184% return on investment, and call it a day. To be honest, I haven't really checked if it was the same product, right? I don't even think it's the same color. It's actually the same product, actually crazy. So that's one profitable product already, right? Just by using the target list. But the other way that I like to do manual sourcing is just by going with the best match. And one product caught my eye, right? I'm skipping all these because Adidas, I'm not really, I mean, maybe I can find them profitably. I like Columbia. Columbia, you can sell it as a beginner. They have a lot of shoes right there. Like there's probably some that are profitable, right? But the great way with the target list is that it allows you to sort these websites by what percentage is off, and in just 5 minutes you can see what's going on online and actually source the website, right? So that's what's so great about arbitrage, about OA list, about the target list, right? But let's just check. Boom. This is Columbia backpack. So Columbia is hit or miss because sometimes you just have Amazon on the product and it's terrible. Sometimes it's just a great product, and we get it for 27. It's same thing. It's a high rank, right? Let's just check if it would make sense to actually sell it. Give it a second. Boom, and the price went down like crazy. So actually it's starting to get some traction at 55, but it used to sell at 50, and it looks like it's the same guy. If I remember correctly, fast shipping, isn't it the same guy? I think, no, it's not. It's not. I don't know where I actually got that from. But that's actually great. So we get this at, give me a second. We get it at $27, right? So $27, boom, and that would be a 47% return on investment. So on a product selling that low, a 47% return on investment is not that great. However, I'd like to see how fast this guy actually sell these things. Let's look at the all-time view for the stock, right? And so it's actually moving. You know what? It's actually moving decently well. It's moving slowly, of course, but like there's not a lot of people on it. So like that's something that you could potentially risk. I mean, for a 40% return on investment, you know, like, yeah, that's not the best product in the world, but that's the way you should think about it. And that's what's going to help you. Like we just found 2 profitable leads in maybe 5 minutes, right? Because I took some time to explain those things to you guys. But that's literally how you should use the target list and how you can make a lot of money out of it, okay? So instead of having to dig to sales, like going into a lot of platforms, going through emails, doing all that stuff, right? You literally like just log into the target listing. You can get started for $1, just log in. You get all the sales listed. You can filter out sales that are under a specific percentage of. You can there's literally 287 different sales today, right? You can choose by category to choose the category that you prefer, right? That's how easy it makes it. So hopefully it was helpful. Just get the target list. Link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.